What's up guys, this is Pro Warriors. This video is specially made those who play games on PC or laptop. If you want to boost the performance of your processor or increase the speed of CPU, then this video is the perfect guide for you. Please follow my instructions and I guarantee your gaming experience will be changed forever. Please like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Open search option of Windows or use a shortcut key Win+S on the keyboard. Type on the search bar power. From the search list you can see edit power plan. Now select change advanced power settings. Now scroll down and find out process power management and expand it. There are two options, minimum process state and maximum process state. Generally our processor set up as balanced mode, but you can change the minimum process state to 0 and maximum process state to 100. That means we are forcing our CPU to deliver the maximum performance. Now apply the settings and click on OK button. Now we are going to do another simple step to increase the CPU performance. Disable startup apps. Too many apps launching at system startup, even you are not using them. Click Ctrl Alt plus Delete on the keyboard to open Task Manager. Select Startup menu. In this list you will find all the apps of Windows. Now check all apps opening at startup and the impact on the system. If you think any app which is not necessary or less useful, then click on it and disable them. This way you can remove the extra pressure from CPU and that will definitely increase the performance. I hope this video is useful and please like and subscribe our channel. If you face any disturbance, then you can ask help in the comment section. You can ask for help in the comment section. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.